Thank you for choosing AllTech for your heating, cooling, and plumbing needs. We know you have many choices, and we're proud you chose us. Here's what to expect from our visit today. First off, our AllTech install team will arrive in one of our signature trucks and park in a way that doesn't obstruct access to and from your home. Before entering your home, our professional installers will use boot covers and floor protection to prevent tracking dirt inside. They will also follow standard COVID-19 safety precautions. Before we do any work, our team leader will go over your install to make sure we are fulfilling your expectations on the install. While your install crew is working, you'll get periodic updates so you'll always know what's going on throughout the experience. Once the job is done and the site is clean, your installer will review your new home comfort system with you from top to bottom, up to and including thermostat operation. The installer will collect the final balance of payment to complete the transaction, and if you feel there are any issues or concerns, you should discuss them with your lead installer at this time. Thanks again for choosing AllTech for your heating, cooling, and plumbing needs.